Have you ever opened your drawer to set the table for a special dinner, only to find your favorite silverware dull and tarnished, lacking the shine that once dazzled your guests? Or perhaps you've discovered a family heirloom, a treasured piece of jewelry, or a teapot, and wished it could be restored to its original brilliance without hours of scrubbing or the expense of professional cleaning. What if I told you that a gleaming, refreshed finish is just a step away, using two simple items you probably already have in your kitchen right now: baking soda and tinfoil? Yes, together, these common household essentials create a cleaning trick so effective it almost feels like magic. Tarnished silver and other metals can be frustrating and disheartening. Over time, exposure to air and humidity causes these items to lose their luster, developing dark spots and an overall dullness. Many people hide their beautiful silverware away, embarrassed to use it when company comes over, or shy away from displaying prized pieces. Even with regular washing, tarnish can build up, making treasured items seem beyond hope. Commercial cleaners promise results, but they often involve harsh chemicals, strong odors, and can even scratch or damage delicate surfaces, not to mention the hit to your wallet with each purchase. But what if maintaining your metals could be done simply, safely, and inexpensively with materials you already trust? That's exactly where the dynamic duo of baking soda and tinfoil comes in, a time-tested, surprisingly effective method for restoring shine without fuss. Here's how it works. Baking soda is widely known for its gentle yet powerful cleaning properties. From removing odors in refrigerators to brightening laundry, and even cleaning teeth, this versatile powder has earned its reputation in homes everywhere. Tinfoil, or aluminum foil as it's often called, is just as indispensable. But together with baking soda, they spark a fascinating scientific reaction that lifts tarnish away from metals quite literally before your eyes. The science behind it is rooted in chemistry. Most tarnish on silver is actually silver sulfide, formed when the silver reacts with sulfur-containing compounds in the air. This layer of tarnish can be stubborn, clinging tightly to the surface. When silverware or jewelry is placed in contact with tinfoil inside a warm bath of baking soda and water, an electrochemical reaction takes place. The baking soda acts as an electrolyte. The tinfoil helps to transfer electrons back to the tarnished silver, essentially reversing the chemical process that caused the dullness in the first place. In simpler terms, the sulfur atoms move from the silverware to the tinfoil, and the silver is returned to its original untarnished state. The result? Restored, shiny metal with minimal effort. So, how do you bring this solution to life? Here's a clear step-by-step guide. Start by gathering your supplies: a basin or deep dish, enough to fully submerge your item, aluminum foil, baking soda, and hot, but not boiling, water. Line the basin with a sheet of tinfoil, shiny side up. Place the tarnished metal items so they are touching the foil, ensuring good contact. Next, sprinkle roughly 1 tablespoon of baking soda per cup of water you'll use for the bath, more for larger items or heavier tarnish. Pour the hot water carefully over the items, enough to cover them entirely. Almost instantly, you may notice a slight sulfur odor. It's completely normal, a sign that the reaction is starting. Tiny bubbles may form, and the water might darken as the tarnish is released and attaches to the tinfoil. Leave the items soaking for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the severity of the tarnish. There's no need to scrub or wipe harshly. The solution is doing most of the work for you. When the timer is up, use tongs or a spoon to lift the items out of the bath. Remember, the water could still be hot. Rinse each piece thoroughly under cool running water to remove any baking soda residue, then dry gently with a soft cloth. The transformation is captivating. What was once dull and lackluster now gleams, ready for any occasion or display. That cherished necklace, those antique teaspoons, or your favorite serving tray, their true beauty shines once again. For even more dramatic results, imagine a piece that was nearly black with age, shadows of tarnish dulling the intricate patterns. After just a few minutes in the baking soda and tinfoil bath, the design emerges. Light dances off the curves, and the sense of pride in your restored item is undeniable. Let's recap those key steps to keep your prized possessions sparkling. 1. Line a container with tinfoil, shiny side up. 2. Arrange your tarnished metal items so they're touching the foil. 3. Add hot water and sprinkle in baking soda, about 1 tablespoon per cup of water. 4. Let everything soak for 5 to 10 minutes. 5. Rinse thoroughly under water and dry with a soft cloth. The brilliance of this method lies not only in its simplicity, but also in its gentle approach. There's no abrasive scrubbing and no harsh chemical scent. It's cost-effective. You save money by avoiding expensive commercial cleaners and make use of items already available at home. Better yet, it's safe for your health and the environment, making it a choice you can feel good about. This cleaning trick can be used for more than just silverware. Try it on jewelry, teapots, candlesticks, or any silver-plated items. However, be mindful with items that have delicate stones or are glued, as the hot water and reaction might not be suitable for all materials. Always test a small spot if you're unsure. The next time you encounter tarnished silver or other cherished metals, remember, restoration doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or time-consuming. With baking soda and tinfoil, your pieces can be brought back to their original radiance in just a matter of minutes. Enjoy the sparkle and shine, and the pride in knowing you did it all with a bit of household wisdom and science at your fingertips.